Do you know many people are having trouble with their thermostat not showing the right temperature? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Configure system. Make sure your thermostat is configured to match your heating or cooling system type. Step 2. Adjust settings. Examine the thermostat settings menu to ensure all options are set correctly for your system. Step 3. Inspect mounting. Check the wall mounting of the thermostat to ensure it is installed properly, as misalignment can affect readings. Step 4. Recalibrate. If calibration is required, adjust the thermostat's internal settings to better align the temperature readings. Step 5. Check errors. Look for and address any error messages or indicators suggesting a system delay or lockout. Step 6. Power cycle. Perform a power cycle by shutting off the power and removing the batteries to reset minor errors. Following these steps should help resolve your thermostat's temperature mismatch issue. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honeywell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.